IKEA can be so stressful. We just need to get home and chillax. You're the best, Hey, you should use those tools to fix something. This place is so big, it frightens me. You know what they say, once you go lack, you never go back. What? I can't stave off my love for you. Come here. What? Come here. Let's just put it in our cart and go. But do you ever feel so trapped by this place you get Stockholm Syndrome? Hey, look, it knows I'm here. At last, we're out of here. Come back. Hey, you remember that 90s hit? I don't want no scubs. You like it? You're killing me. Are we there yet? Another one. Yes, just a couple of gals.